Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a pastel cut crease look for Easter. First I'm starting off by filling in my brows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Ash Brown. I'm lining the bottom and top edges of the brow to define the shape, and then I'm flicking the pencil upwards to create hair-like strokes, adding fullness to the brow. I'm cleaning up the brow with the Plouise base in the shade 0.5, which I'll also be using to prime my eyelids. Once I've tapped the base to lay smooth all over the eyelid, I'm dipping into the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in Brights. I'm using the MORPHE M506 brush to lightly apply the matte pink color to the outer part of the crease. I'm sweeping this color on and blending it upwards, rather than packing it on so that I can achieve the pastel look that I'm going for. After that, I'm picking up the matte yellow shade and applying this to the front part of the crease with the MORPHE M562 brush. Now that I've laid down those colors, I'm cutting out the crease using the Plouise base and the MORPHE JH42 brush. I have hooded eyes, so I'm drawing a fake crease slightly above my natural crease. That way, my eyes will appear larger and you'll be able to see everything when my eyes are open. After that, I'm packing this light blue shade onto the lid space that I've cut out. Next, I'm using the Plouise base to cut out a winged eyeliner shape. This will allow me to create eyeliner using eyeshadow. I'm first packing on the green to the inner part of the lash line, then I'm adding the pink to the middle, and for the winged part, I'm applying the orange shade. Now let's move on to face makeup. I'm priming with the NYX Bright Maker Primer, which is going to add a hint of glow and radiance to the skin. Then I'm pressing the Benefit Porefessional Light Primer around my nose to minimize the appearance of my pores. For foundation, I'm applying the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 400. I'm pouncing this on with a damp beauty blender. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Ultra Creamy Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. I'm applying this underneath my eyes into the bridge of my nose, which tends to need more coverage. After blending that in, I'm setting those areas in place with the Ciate Extraordinary Powder using a slightly damp sponge. Next, I'm contouring with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm just mixing all three of the powder contour shades on a Firma 103 brush and placing that into the hollows of my cheeks, against my hairline on my forehead, and along the jawline. I'm also taking a little bit of this on the Luoci B102 brush and using that to contour my nose. Now I'm adding some warmth to the skin by bronzing with the Benefit Hoola Glow Bronzer, which I'm just sweeping over the same areas that I contoured. Now I'm highlighting the highest points of the face where light naturally bounces off of using the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. After that, I'm sweeping the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Party on my cheeks and nose. To set everything in place and give the skin a luminous glow, I'm spritzing on the Catrice Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. Now for the finishing touches, I'm setting my brows in place using the Anastasia Brow Freeze and applying the green eyeshadow to my bottom lash line. For lashes, I'm first curling my lashes, then I'm applying the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara and popping on the Ardell Faux Mink Lashes in the style 857. After that, I'm blending the falsies with my natural ones by tight lining using the Tarte Easy on the Eyes Clay Liner and applying mascara to my bottom lashes. Finally, I'm applying the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Pink Sugar. And that completes this Easter look. Let me know your favorite Easter treat in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!